Looking through the junk drawer, searching. Somewhere there's a lighter lurking to light my daughter's 14th birthday cake.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. Happy Christmas to you all. Happy Christmas to my supporters. Happy Christmas to my loved one. Happy Christmas to Semi Best Friend family. Happy Christmas to the world that you come across this channel and subscribe. Happy Christmas to the world that you like, comment, share. Happy Christmas to you all. What do you guys prepare for Christmas? Hope you all enjoyed your Christmas yesterday. I enjoyed mine. I went live yesterday and it was so fun, yeah. So in today's video, I'm going to prepare this barbecue fish. To prepare this fish barbecue, I'm going to go on and add my habanero pepper in the blender. I will add my onions, my ingredients, that is curry powder, thyme, any ingredients you want to use at all. I'm going to go on and blend it, and I added a little bit of lemon, yeah, just half of lemon juice, yeah. And I make sure that I wash this fish well. You have to wash it well and use your lemon to wash everything well. First of all, I need to defrost this fish because I just brought it out from the freezer and it was a little bit strong, so I need to defrost it with hot water. To tell the fact, I really enjoy this catfish than tilapia fish. Oh my goodness sake. It was so yummy.
Looking through the junk drawer, searching. Somewhere there's a lighter lurking to light my daughter's 14th birthday candles. I came across a bag of knickknacks, orphaned screws, expired Tic Tacs, and a key from long ago. Is it from my house when I was growing up, and you were always showing up and throwing little pebbles at my window? I would tiptoe down the stairway past my parents where they were drifting in the land of Nod, and I'd go out sneaking through the side door. I would plant a little fairy kiss there upon your cherry lips.
Alright guys, so let's get ready to wash our fish. Yeah, so I make sure that I use 2 lemon instead of 1 lemon. I just need to wash everywhere. Even I try to squeeze the water, lemon water inside the fish, to wash all, you see. To make sure that yeah, it is well clean and well washed. So that's it. If you want to go for this method, it's so easy. So this is how wash fish. Make sure you wash your fish well. Just make sure you wash it well. So the next step is that I'll go on and cut my fish this way so that my ingredients can get inside. Oh my goodness, this still was so yummy. I really love the catfish, I should not lie. At the end of it, yeah, so I go on and place my aluminum paper in my ovens, what's it called, oven plate. So I'll go on and add my ingredients, my blended pepper, onions, all the ingredients, curry powder, thyme, rosemary, everything you've blended already. I'll go on and add it to it. I'll make sure that I let everything go inside.
Exhausted, I would crawl in bed and snuggle you. We'd mash up like a double.
So this is my catfish. I end up using 2 plates of the oven. So I'll go on and place it in my oven, to let it cook. And this is the out. Oh my gosh, it was so yummy, like my goodness. So I'm going to go on to make my stew. Just normal stew. Prepare your habanero pepper, your onions, all your ingredients. Then I add it to it like this. Then I make sure that I transfer it to the oven, to let the pepper stew together. Oh my gosh. I think I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Please stay tuned and stay well. And Happy New Year in advance. See you guys in my next video.